that during the debate, Tom Tugendhat, a Conservative Member of Parliament for Tonbridge and Miling, the chairman of the Foreign Affairs Select Committee of the House of Commons, had accused former head of state of Nigeria, General Yakubu Gowon, of making half of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, with him when he went on exile to the United States after he was toppled in the military coup. Aware that Tom Tugendhat, Member of Parliament, did not at any time of speaking provide any evidence to support the weighty allegations he had made against the General Yakubu Gowon, and has not since that time of making such allegations provided any evidence in support of his claims. Further aware, Mr. Speaker, that Tom Tugendhat, MP, by his position as the chairman of the Foreign Affairs Select Committee of the House of Commons, and having himself served as an army officer raising to the rank of a lieutenant colonel in the territorial army, understand that allegation of this nature met without evidence and unsupported by any known fact can have a consequences in affecting a country like Nigeria. Concerned, Mr. Speaker, that the member of the Parliament made those remarks for the record in the House of Commons without due regard for any year of cordial relationship between our two countries, and without first using diplomatic channel available to him to ascertain the veracity of his position or to seek evidence in support of the claim he intends to make in Parliament. Disturbed, Mr. Speaker, that despite the barrage of condemnation by well-meaning and right-thinking people from all over the world and an official request for restriction by the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, neither Tom Tugendhat, MP, nor the government he represents has thought it fit and proper to act to correct the inconsiderate and dangerous statement made on the integrity of the General Yakubu Gowon. Further disturbed, Mr. Speaker, that the recalcitrance of the member of the Parliament in this matter gives credence to suggestion in certain quarters that the careless utterance was not made in error, but rather it is a calculated attempt to exploit the filthiness of Nigerian society to create conflict, exacerbate crisis, and create conditions that make government doubtful and progress impossible. The House resolved, Mr. Speaker, to 1. Mandate the Speaker of the House of Representatives to write to the Speaker of the House of Commons to A. Express the displeasure of the House of Representatives that the member of the House of Commons have taken advantage of parliamentary privileges to disregard a former head of state of Nigeria or the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the person of General Yakubu Gowon, and to make statement against him, which in other circumstances will be libelous and subject to sanction. B. Demand that the member of the Parliament, Tom Tugendhat, offers a public apology to General Yakubu Gowon and to the people and government of Nigeria for making claims in Parliament that are capable of creating conflict, breaching the peace in Nigeria, and equally destroying the hard-earned reputation of General Yakubu Gowon. 2. Invite the British High Commission to the Federal Republic of Nigeria to explain to this Honorable House why, despite demand by citizens and government alike, the government of Britain has failed to offer any apology for the action of Tom Tugendhat, MP and chairman of the Foreign Affairs Select Committee of the House of Commons, knowing fully well that the effect of such statement can have in a country such as ours. Mr. Speaker, I so move.
We were all aghast at this unfortunate vituperation by a member of Parliament, and because it is a parliament-to-parliament issue and it was discussed in Parliament, notwithstanding at committee level, it's important that we address it, especially as it affects perhaps our longest-serving head of state. The parliamentary protection for statements made in the chambers intends to allow for free and spirited debate in the best interest of the public. it is not meant to be used as it's meant to be used as a shield and not as a sword. Honorable Tom Tugendhat, a Conservative member of the British Parliament of Commons, took advantage of this privilege to launch grievous and baseless allegations against General Yakubu Gowon. Unfortunately, this was an act that deserves the most spirited rebuke. All of us in Nigeria are still grappling with the lessons of our nation's history. We are not helped in this regard by the cynical interventions of people who do not seek our nation's upliftment, but will gladly exploit our fault lines to score cheap political points. The resolutions as made by this parliament will be conveyed to the head of parliament, the head of the British Parliament accordingly. So I'll just put the question, assuming that the resolution is carried. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say nay. Ayes have it. Ayes have it.